In this video, I'm going to show you how to view and filter Daos.fun tokens on Axiom. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to create an Axiom account. Now there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure to check it out. You will not regret it. So to view and filter the Daos.fun tokens on Axiom, you want to go to polls over here. And then you want to click on this settings icon, either on the new pairs, final stretch, or migrated, of course, wherever you want these Daos.fun tokens to show. I'm going to go and click over here. And here you can see, by the way, I hope I'm saying this right, Daos.fun. If not, forgive me. And you want to click on that so it basically gets light up like this. And then you want to click on apply all. And there we go. Now even the Daos.fun tokens are going to be showing up over here. If you don't want any other ones to show, just basically uncheck all the other ones and leave Daos.fun on. And then it's going to only show these tokens. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.